What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking, subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Today, we're going to do up some bourbon chicken. But it's not going to be any regular bourbon chicken. We're going to do some devil's cut bourbon chicken. This is going to make it richer, darker, heavier flavored bourbon chicken. If you're not familiar with devil's cut, it's where they mix regular bourbon that came out the barrel with where they squeezed the bourbon that was locked away inside those barrels. They squeezed the wood and got some of the bourbon that was locked away inside those barrels. They got that bourbon and they mixed it with the regular bourbon that came with it, and that's where they got the devil's cut from. Today we're using that bourbon in this recipe. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. For your devil's cut bourbon chicken, we've got some chicken, some soy sauce, minced onions, garlic powder, ginger powder, and brown sugar, along with some Jim Beam devil's cut. Today we've got 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that we're using. This is a ½ cup of brown sugar. We're going to pour 4 ounces of soy sauce in there. 3/8 of an ounce of some Jim Beam devil's cut. 2 tablespoons of minced onions. 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Go ahead, seal up your bag. Go ahead and mix that up. Now put it in your fridge for at least 4 hours. Overnight is best. We're going to go ahead and try to get this in before the rain hits. For this, we're going to go ahead and put a pan down. Put our chicken in. Pour in our marinade. Alright, let's go ahead and check this chicken. Oh yeah, nice 165. We're done. We'll go ahead and pull it. And we're done. Chicken looks excellent. Got a nice golden brown hue to it. You could definitely smell the brown sugar, the bourbon, the soy sauce coming off of it. Looks fabulous. Let's go in for a bite. Oh yeah. All those flavors just meld together beautifully. Put this with some rice. No need to go to the Chinese food buffet to get some bourbon chicken. Make it at your house. Much better tasting than that stuff you can get at the Chinese food buffet. Trust me, folks. This stuff is excellent. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.